Graphy Online Courses Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering using Graphy for your online courses, you're in the right place. Links to the product are included in the description for your convenience. Graphy is an all-in-one platform designed to create, market, and sell online courses seamlessly. Whether you're a beginner looking to break into course creation or an established instructor wanting to scale your business, Graphy provides an intuitive interface and powerful features. One of its standout aspects is its user-friendly dashboard, making it easy to design professional courses without any coding skills. You can integrate videos, quizzes, assignments, and even community features to keep your students engaged and learning effectively. Graphy also excels in marketing tools. It offers custom landing pages, built-in email marketing, and sales funnel creation to optimize your revenue streams. The platform supports various payment gateways, simplifying the purchasing process for global students. Additionally, its analytics tools allow you to track learner progress and sales, giving you real-time data to enhance your offerings. This means you not only create courses, but also market them strategically to maximize enrollments and retention rates. Who is Graphy ideal for? Primarily, it's geared toward course creators, coaches, and educators aiming for a comprehensive solution that manages everything from content creation to sales. Even small business owners or entrepreneurs interested in monetizing their expertise can benefit greatly from Graphy's robust toolset. However, if you're someone who only needs basic course hosting with minimal marketing features, there are simpler, more budget-friendly options available. In summary, Graphy's strength lies in its versatility and ease of use, allowing you to scale your teaching business with minimal technical hassle. Its premium features come at a competitive price, making it worth considering if you plan to take your course selling seriously. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more straightforward, honest reviews to help you make informed decisions. Your support helps others discover valuable content and learn effectively.